Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, The AI Consciousness. I am your host, Priyank Dakwe, and today we are going to discuss on the topic how artificial intelligence is emerging as a game changer for the Ayurveda industry. So let's see. AI has witnessed many advancements in the field of computers and robots and other advanced areas. However, it is intriguing to see that AI has the capability to contribute with equal effectiveness in a 5000-year-old system of Ayurveda, that is the natural healing Vedic culture practiced in India since 1500 BC. That's what I said now. AI has the capability to contribute with equal effectiveness in 5000-year-old system of Ayurveda. Here research becomes more centric. A vast change in the medicinal history can be created by fusing the ancient traditional medicinal knowledge with the robust technologies of AI, not only to compare the chemical molecular reactions but also to move a step forward to live healthy living. Research in Ayurveda becomes more AI-centric. In a report last year, India's first ever diagnostic protocol for Ayurveda, known as Jiva Ionic, was launched in order to make root cause based diagnosis in structured, standardized, and data driven manner. This protocol is a huge data analytics project that was initiated by Jiva Ayurvedic or Ayurveda 6 years ago with the help of big data, analytics, and machine learning techniques. This was the first ever startup for Ayurveda as well as for Ayurvedic research. This was a good step taken by us. We need more startups regarding this. According to a report, researchers from CSIR and All India Institute of Medical Science joined hands with doctors at Faridabad-based company Jiva Ayurveda and Oxynet Medical Private Limited, Delhi, to use big data analytics in Ayurveda in order to show its efficiency in treating chronic disease. Since Ayurveda has little scientific documentation and no big data analysis, the study with big data analysis show for the first time interesting patterns and proves its potential for use in preventive healthcare. Mithali Mukherjee, who is the senior principal scientist at CSIR, is known for blending Ayurveda with modern genomics for application in precision medicine. Ranjan Bose, director of IIIT Delhi, said that the symposium on computational gastronomy in December 2018. Today, food is digested, our tastes, our preferences, our consumption is digitized. People can't eat without making or taking pictures for social media. Restaurant listings have detailed menus and you can also see reviews and feedbacks. It is all on the internet. And we can mine this data and crowdsource data and analyze it to transform food. And glance at how AI works in Ayurveda. In this research, AI is used to build a computational model for the diagnosis of human constituents in Ayurvedic medicine. AI technique as well as statistical technique has been used to compute the model. The model was built by the following two steps. At the first steps, the statistical technique of principal component analysis is done to recognize any dependencies among the classification of the individuals. Then in the second step, fuzzy logic was implemented in the order to fine-tune the results from PCA. With the help of AI technologies, the researchers have improved the correctness of the decision-making process in relation to the use of traditional questionnaire of Ayurveda. That's all. Now, Hare Krishna.